Shout out to Mitzi for providing all the donuts. I think it's safe to say that you're our sponsor for the Karma. So thank you so much. We're gonna put them in good use, and yeah, hope if you get a donut, there'll be more in the future. So thank you, Nux.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Shit looks old.
It does. I know. I was about to take it off.
I was about to take it off.
Where the donuts at? Where the donuts at? Oh.
I was about to be like, what? That's it. But I saw the pedal. You really think everybody's gonna want to go like this? He's here for the donuts. I'm gonna get one before they're gone.
Hey, it's $5, dog.
Oh, that one.
First one out. First one out. First one out. First one out.
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Behind the scenes.
You're behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, I'm allergic. We're gonna be handing out donuts tonight. So make sure to cop one because they're delicious.
Delicious.
All right, we're moving. Okay.
Hey, would you guys like a donut?
You guys want donut? Donut?
You guys want a donut?
Yeah, take a donut.
I appreciate it.
No problem, sir.
The good ones over here.
Of course, man.
I have the best
Enjoy
ones.
them.
I have the best ones.
He actually does. I think you do. Yeah.
I do have the best ones.
Sorry, we don't have napkins, but
Nobody wants mine. We're good.
yeah. Go, you want to get chocolate? There you go.
Let's do a chocolate one. Don't try not to give it too much sugar, please. Bad, actually, have to give it.
Oh. Gang. I'm back.
Come get your donuts. 2 for 1, 2 for 1. 2 for 1, 2 for. I'm sorry.
No way.
Go for it, brother. Go for it. Go for it.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's, man. Enjoy.
Dude, you guys are legit.
Handle. No worries, dude. That's what's up, brother.
Thanks, bro.
Should we hand out donuts here and not fucking roast everyone, bro?
I got the best one.
Bro, you want to get down there with a donut? Sorry, guys. Take a donut. Take a donut. Sorry, I don't got napkins, guys. Good. Take one, brother. Take one.
Good, dude.
Happy New Year's, you guys.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Go for it, brother. Go for it.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming, man.
Hey, Happy New Year's.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go for it.
Here, I'll take that one.
Go for it, brother. I got 2 more left. 2 more left.
They want you.
Going.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome. Yeah, he knows. He get,
Take it.
grab it.
got 2 donuts
Have your
left.
choice.
You guys want
You guys like a donut?
Donut? Take one.
Right on.
Who wants the last one?
Who wants the last one? Who wants
Hey, who wants the last one?
Last one, please.
$20.
Look at him. He's thinking. He's debating. He's debating. He's like,
Oh, I took my.
Yeah, enjoy them.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yo, Asher, you need a donut. Hurry, quick. They're about to run out. Yo, look at him.
Pick one. I don't even know what it is.
Oh, yeah.
You want the last donut?
Look at that booty. I'm talking about your booty. How's the situation now?
Good. Still getting hate, but fuck it.
Dude, forget those kids, dude.
Yeah. They still send me hate. I enjoy
Really?
reading it.
Oh,
Hold my camera, I'm gonna go to jail right now.
you won't.
Hey guys,
How's it going?
am I starring in the show?
Yeah.
Alright, well, security doesn't want you guys here anymore, so you gotta split.
Okay.
Okay, private property and all that.
Alright, we
Alright?
understand.
Okay, have a good night.
Thank you.
Sure.
Have a good one, guys.
Night.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.